It's a bright and warm afternoon in Toronto. You don't get to hear that often, at least not in my vlogs for the last 6 months. The winter was pretty dark. It was actually the darkest winter in Toronto for 80 years, according to the meteorologists. Those are the weather guys, right? So it's a nice 24 degrees, and I'm heading out to downtown Canberra to collect the Pentax K2 film camera that I handed in last October, which is almost 6-7 months ago. There's a vlog on that. Really excited that it's finally fixed. I'm hoping it's finally fixed, fingers crossed. As downtown Canberra is just a few blocks from my place, I decided to just walk. I haven't been walking much these days. Been all excited about my Tesla and really been driving around town. I've mostly been driving around just because I got a new car, the Tesla, which you could have seen in my previous vlog. I'll do a detailed vlog on that. But right now, I felt like I should just walk and go grab that camera and get some steps in for today. It's way warmer than I thought. 24 degrees, and the sun's shining so hard that I've already started to sweat. Walking through St. James Park, crossing over from King Street East to Adelaide, and then I will walk up north on Church, and downtown Canberra is on the intersection of Church and Queen Street. This in no way is a promotion for downtown Canberra. That's just my go-to place in Toronto. They have great deals. They have great deals, and I don't have any discounts from them for my channel yet. I guess I'm not big enough. I haven't even asked, but yeah, that's my go-to place. The road here is being blocked for construction. Taken over the sidewalk with the scaffolding. So you get to walk through this tunnel, which is not bad considering it's pretty sunny. And it's crazy loud. You probably can't hear me right now. That right there is downtown Canberra. So much construction going on in Toronto. It's absolutely crazy. Finally, time to grab my film camera. So I got the camera finally, which is great news, and got a roll of film, Kodak 400, Poda something. I'm not too familiar with films, but that's what was recommended with how sunny it is outside, and I just can't wait to take some clips. By the way, here's the camera. I'm back at the park, and here's the camera. It's a pretty little thing. It's quite heavy, actually pretty heavy. And let's set it up and take some shots. So I got a couple of shots, quite a few shots actually. It's all mechanical, right? We're so used to everything being automated or everything being set up through software. Touching the screen, clicking, moving stuff, setting up ISO, exposure, shutter speeds, all of that. But this is all mechanical. You see the dials on here, just the dials. It's quite a thing, and I'm really excited to see how the photographs come out. That's pretty much it for today. I've got a couple of rolls of film, color and black and white. Right now I'm doing color photography. The ISO is 400 for it. I need to play around. I'm not even sure how the photographs would come out. And I think that's so interesting about film photography, that you can't really see how the photographs come out, which is so interesting, right? That's how life used to be before everything went digital. On that note, that's it for today. Please do like this video, hit the thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and see you in another vlog soon. We have tow trucks here on King Street East in Sherbourne. There's parking enforcement, and they're planning to tow a car. I think the driver's come back and he's about to leave. Quite an interesting situation. Yeah, tow trucks following parking enforcement. They were pretty quick. I don't know if I was able to capture the action with this tow truck guy. He was so quick. He parked in front of the car. They were going to hook up the car, but the driver got back in time, which is great for him. Okay, that's it. Enough news from the city today.